Hi there, it's Sunday the 9th of July 2017 and this is my weekly review of the different asset classes to see how they're doing, and welcome aboard. So I'm Andy, I'm the trend follower. I like to look at trends, getting on board when they start and exiting them as they finish, and making a profit on the difference between the two. So that's what I do. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. Please don't take it as advice. I don't make any claims about how this strategy might perform for me in the future, and if you copy me you might end up living in a cardboard box. Just review this as entertainment. But if you want to find out more about my asset allocation, financial trend following trading, then visit my website www.trendfollower.co.uk and you can find out more. So let's get stuck straight in. I'm going to look at shares first of all. This is the first asset class I like to look at, otherwise known as equities, and the fund that I use to get exposed to equities is doing fine. This green line is the average price over the past 52 weeks, the past year of course, so although it's dropped down the past 2 or 3 weeks, it's still well above the 52 MA, so I'm staying invested, so nice and easy. Now, property, I've got 2 property investments. The first one, which is a mixture of UK and European property exposure, has been doing really well in recent times. Past few weeks it's dropped back, but then this last week or two it's come up a little bit more, so quite happy to remain invested. That's doing really well. The other one, which is just UK property, was doing very well. I got in a little bit late, as you can see. I should have got in down here, but I got into the party a bit late and did fine, and it's been dropping. Past couple of weeks dropped quite a bit. It's still above the MA52 though, so I'm going to stay invested, and I'll stay invested until such time as it drops below the MA52, which might be down here or it might be up here in months to come. Who knows? I'm a property trend follower, not a predictor. Okay, a couple of weeks ago I had a signal to sell gold, and since I liquidated my gold investment, it's fallen further, so I'm glad to have got out. You might recall, if you watched my previous videos, how I was very reluctant to sell gold. I thought it was going to go up, but it's gone down, so you know, that shows just how much I know about the financial futures. I don't know anything, of course. That's why I use this system. My commodities slice is currently in cash. You can see where I got in, where I got out. I made 25% profit on that trade. Since then it's fallen further. Past couple of weeks it's gone up a bit though, so but I don't have a signal to buy commodities just yet. Now, bonds is the last slice. I don't trade in and out of bonds. I just have 3 different bond ETFs denominated in pounds, euros and dollars, and they just stay in my portfolio. I don't do anything with them. So here's the traffic light signals for each of the asset classes. Shares still on a green. Property, both of my investments are still on a green. Gold is now red. Commodities still red. Bonds in my system always stay on a green. So what trading do I have to do this week? Well, I don't have to do anything. But if you remember at the beginning of my video, this picture. Now, this picture is taken from the website of BlackRock World Mining Trust, and I was interested to see that this week the BlackRock World Mining Trust share price closed above the MA52. Now, it has been falling, but as you know from my graph of commodities earlier, commodities in the past couple of weeks have been rising, so BRWM technically in my system has triggered a buy signal. So will it fall further or will it rise? Well, who knows? Time will tell, of course. If you want to know more about my financial trend trading, then visit my website and click on the menu icon, and then you get this drop down context menu, and click on how does it work. Put your name and email address in there, and I'll send you a 25-minute video with the information about how I do my trend trading. So I look forward to having you on board. If you haven't been to my website, please do visit it, and if you like this video, then click like on the Facebook page and try and spread the word. That's great. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to catching up with you next week. Bye for now.